What's up guys, it's Aparicio, and today I'm going to show you how to easily put text behind objects in Davinci Resolve. Let's get started. Alright, so we have our shot up here. Let's drag it in. Hold Alt just to only drag in the visual part of the clip, no audio. So we're going to drag it in. Sweet. Let's look at it. It's a short clip. You'll be able to find this clip in the description so you can follow along, so go ahead and go download it. Alright, so we're going to easily do this by going up here to Effects. Alright, we're going to drag in Text Plus. Drag it in. Drag it in. Okay, and let's type in what we want. I'm going to type in Pepsi's slogan. Alright. Let's choose our font. I'd say a bold font. I like this one. Alright, so we're good there. Now let's duplicate this first clip here. I'm going to hold Alt, drag, and then let go. So we have our clip, the text, and then our clip above the text. Same clip. With the top clip selected, let's go into the Fusion page. Select Media in 1, and then click Shift Space. Boom. Then you're going to type in Magic Mask, and it should pop up. Click Add. And there we go. See it connected in here. Now, with Magic Mask selected, with your little playhead here, drag to the beginning of the clip. And then you're just going to kind of draw a round line inside the Pepsi. Okay. And you're going to make sure it gets all of it. And then we're going to go over here and we're going to hit Track Forward. Okay. Wait. You could take a break now while this is happening, because it shouldn't take too long at all. So reach the end of the tracking, and now what I like to do is hold Control or Command, zoom in, and then the middle mouse scroll wheel, if you click it down, you can move around like this. So go right here, and I just like to blur it a little bit, tiny bit. All right, let's go back out. Now let's go back to the edit page. All right. Now, as you can see, our text is behind our Pepsi can. I'm gonna modify this a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is make it really big. I'm gonna drag it up to where it's almost fully visible towards the top, okay? And then what I'm gonna do is animate it a little bit, all right? So I'm gonna go to the beginning of the text, make sure it's in this position, then click this keyframe next to position, and then go to the end of your text clip and drag it up till it's fully visible. Boom. Okay, so that, if we go through the clip, that animated it above the can throughout the clip. And then just so it pops a little bit more, as you can see here, there's a white shirt in the graphic behind the can. So we're gonna go to title, then we're gonna go to shading. We're going to go to number 3 on select element, and we're going to enable a black shadow, okay? And this is a little too harsh, so what I'm going to do is make it blurrier. So I think 9, about 9 for both is good, and then put the opacity down a little bit, and then there we go. It kind of separates the text from the background. So can in the foreground, that's what I like, middle ground, and then graphic background, okay? If your computer is having a tough time playing this back, then highlight all these, create a new compound clip, create, and then right click again, and go to render in place. Render, select the folder, let that render out, okay? And now let's watch the clip back. And there we go. So there you go guys, that's the easiest way to put text behind an object in Davinci Resolve. I hope you found it helpful. Go ahead and support the channel, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.